Hello and welcome to SmartSearch video tutorial. Let us start our tutorial with search for someone who shares his name with a famous personality. Such cases are always most difficult because overwhelming number of results are for famous personality, and hence such searches require lot of time and effort in sorting out results. Let us search for Bill Gates. A simple Google search shows huge number of results, most of which corresponds the famous Bill Gates, which is not what we wanted. To add new search query, click on the plus sign on top of the screen. SmartSearch App allows you to search on exact keywords. Exact keyword search does not consider synonyms and similar pronunciation words. Now we enter our search criteria, William Gates. As we know, Bill is nickname for William, so we will search for William Gates. We are not looking for the famous Bill Gates, who is founder of Microsoft and co-founder of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So we specify that search results should not contain Microsoft and Melinda. Now on the next screen we have option to further narrow down our search by applying filters. Let us apply the first filter. We will search only title of the web pages. Let us apply second filter. We will search web pages updated in last 1 year, which is quite a reasonable time frame. Now our search query is saved. Let's give it a meaningful name. Slide left and rename. Now let's launch the search. As you can see, our precise search result fetched only 42 results. Now let's refine our search further. Let's say we are looking for attorney Bill Gates. We will only add one additional condition, that our search must contain attorney keyword. We will leave rest of our search query unchanged. Let's rename this search query. Now let's test how effective our search is. We get only one result. Amazing. Do you remember when was the last time that your search query was so precise? For comparison, simple Google search for attorney Bill Gates, you would have still got huge number of results. Now let's look at few more quick examples. We will now see how we can aggregate multiple searches into a single search. Let's take example of big tech companies: Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google and Microsoft. We want our search query to show results if there is any news about any of the big tech companies. We want to track latest news on daily basis, so we will search web pages updated in last 24 hours only. Now latest news about big tech companies is just a click away. By defining filter for websites, we can track news on specific websites. Let's rename this search query. Now let's create search query for another website. We will create a copy of the search query. We will modify the filter for website. Let's rename this search query. Now we can monitor specific websites for news about big tech companies. Now in our last example we will see how we can define dependency between keywords. Let's track latest development about US-Iran relations. Adding keywords here will show results only when the keywords appear together in a web page. We want to track latest news on daily basis, so we will search web pages updated in last 24 hours only. By defining filter for countries, we can track how US-Iran news is covered by news media in different countries. Similarly, if you are a recruiter, you can make specific search queries for LinkedIn and other professional networking sites. This concludes our video tutorial of SmartSearch App. You can again watch this video tutorial by clicking video tutorial button. Also, there is text and speaking help available on all screens. Thank you and good luck.